Alright, so guys, now we are going to cut and sew a short sleeve design. This is the design that we are going to use for the short sleeve. So we are going to first cut the fabric. That is the cream fabric right here. So guys, this fabric right here is folded into two. The shirt that we are doing, we are making a shirt back 14, and so the armhole is going to be 17.5 inches, and the sleeve around is going to be 5 inches. So both of them, you gotta add some extra inches for the sewing allowance. So this one, the length is 2 right here. So it's the left and the right sleeve. That is the short sleeve that we are making, and so the length of it is 9 inches right here. And so when you fold it into two, the measurement that you're gonna get is 8 inches. So that means it's 16 inches as the whole of the wideness or the width length. And so we are going to put it together. We are going to put it together and cut it, and measure and cut it, right? We're going to put it together, measure and cut it. So we are going to first measure the armhole. We said the armhole of it is going to be 17.5 inches, so we are making it 19.5, so that we have added some extra inches for the sewing allowance. We are going to make it 9.5. So guys, can you see it right here? We are making 9.5 right here. So we are going to mark this place. So it's from this place that we're going to draw. We're going to draw it from this place. So the sleeve around too, we're going to turn it like this, and to measure the sleeve around. So the sleeve around itself is 5 inches. So we gotta add some 1 inch to it to make it 6 inch, right? So it's right here. So it's right here, right? So the 6 inches is gonna be right here. So we gotta draw it to make it come to this part, right? Alright, so after drawing it, now we are going to cut it the way we have drawn it. So please watch it carefully so that you see exactly how I'm cutting it. So the way we have, just like we have drawn it, so we are cutting the way we have drawn the shape. So 9.5 is because we have folded it into two. That's why we measured it 9.5. So 9.5, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18, right? So when you add 9, it's going half and half to is going to be 19. So in the so the 1.5 of it, so the armhole is 17.5. So 1.5 added onto it is going to be the sewing allowance for both the two sleeves. So we have cutted it, right? So we have cutted it. So now can you see when we open it, this is exactly how it's looking. So guys, now we are going to measure the sleeve mouth, the sleeve around, or the sleeve mouth. So the sleeve mouth is going to be 12 inches or almost 12 inches. So 12 inches right here, right? From this part to the same to this one. So you see this fabric right here, the wideness or the width length is 12 inches also. Can you see it right here? Almost 12 inches, or like 12 inches right here. So we have folded it into two. So this is how we did it. So it was, guys, the width was 1.25, like almost 2 inches, right? The width was almost 2 inches, and we folded it into two and to make it left this way almost 1 inch, right? To make it left almost 1 inch right here. So we are going to stitch it on a 1/4 inch on the straight line, same to this one. So please watch it carefully so that you're able to see exactly how I'm stitching it, so that you're able to see how to make this short sleeve design. So please watch it carefully, and I'm doing it right now. So let's get started. So we are stitching it on the 1/4 inch. We are stitching it on the 1/4 inch. So please watch attentively so that you're able to see exactly how I'm stitching it. So we are stitching it to the end part of it. So the same way we stitched this, the way we did this one, the same way we're going to do this one, right? So we are going to put it there. Where the place that the opening is, where we are going to put it on the mouth, not this place. This one is not open, right? Because we have folded it into two. We have folded it into two. So the place that's open is where we are going to put it on the mouth. So we are setting it from a quarter inch to the end part. أخاف الله رب العالمين يا رب العالمين يا رب العالمين يا رب العالمين. So guys, we have done stitching this part. So we are going to cut the excess thread from it, the extra thread from it, excess thread from it. So we're cutting it from it. We are going to turn it, guys. We have stitched the both the two, right? Can you see it right here? We have stitched both the two. So we are going to turn it like this and to make it like this. So we are going to iron it to make it go down. Same way we are going to iron this one too. So let's go and iron it and come and show you the results of what the short sleeve design. All right, so guys, after ironing, this is exactly how it's looking. So you can see the back is looking like this. You have ironed to make it go down place, just like this one, right? Just like this one. So when we turn it, this is actually how this design that we added onto it is looking, right? It's looking stunning. The same way of this one is same as this one, same as this one. So when we fold it into two, we are going to get the sleeve, the short sleeve. We're going to get the short sleeve like this. So we got to cut. You gotta put it on it like this and cut where we will be able to stitch, or it will show us to stitch on the shirt shoulders. That is this place. That is this place. You're going to cut it a little bit. Cut it a little bit like this. So we are done with the short sleeve design. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.